I'm using any video converter to add the music track to my video. This feature is free. Now I'm going to create a new workflow and save it as a template so that I don't repeat the same task over and over again. I'm clicking here, add files, once, left click, left mouse click, and the second mouse click just to choose a place, a random place. Then second step in our workflow is to add a music track. I'm choosing add audio. I'm clicking once and the second time to choose a random place here. Our workflow is very simple, so it doesn't matter what place I am choosing. It isn't complicated really. And to save the file, step number 3, I'm choosing format convert here. My video is vertical, so it will be I will adjust for a vertical video and save in my template. Now I'm going to choose my video file here. Okay, I have added my video file, and now I am connecting these two dots uh, with a left mouse click and connect the second task with the third one. Now it's time to choose my audio file. I'm clicking on this setting icon and uh, choose my file by clicking on the plus icon. Now I'm choosing the volume of my background music. When I'm playing my video, this function is enabled. So I'm pausing the video and then choose, for example, 25%. All right. Now when I pause the video, I can choose the duration of my song. I'm choosing the entire video. I'm pausing, and now I can adjust the duration. Uh, then I'm clicking OK. Obviously, I don't need to mute my original sound because I want to use a background. So it can be 25%. It depends on the audio file. All right, OK. And now it's time to adjust the format. I'm using a vertical 1080p video. Now I'm choosing the video resolution. It is a kind of weird, but we are going to create a template, so and we don't need to do this every time. So to adjust the bitrate, the video bitrate, I need to adjust the video resolution first. Now I'm clicking here, choose width and height, then custom, because this 1080p is for horizontal video. We need a vertical one. Now I'm choosing custom and type in 1080 and 1920. Obviously 1920 and then OK. All right, 1080, 1920, quality high. Here I'm choosing for my H264. Here I'm choosing exact bitrate that I need. I'm using 4 megabytes per second. It's okay for me. Enter. Frames. Well, I don't like to use this feature, original frame, because sometimes it makes a mistake. If I'm not mistaken, I can be wrong. Maybe not in this app, but I want to set up 30 because it's my standard, let's say. And for audio, there is no auto function, but let's choose 320. Okay, the maximum one. It's not going to, and AAC for encoder, it's not going to impact too much on the file size. So I'm clicking OK. Now we have 3 steps: add the file, then adjust the music track for background and save it. Now if I click start, it's going to save my file. Here is an ad, let's say, that promotes the paid version, but again, this feature is completely for free, and there is no watermark, so I'm just clicking OK. I'm not going to buy it yet. Okay, now I can find my exported file. If I click on the settings icon here, I can see that I have changed the location of my exported files. So normally it will be in the compose folder. compose. Here it is with a weird name, but for me it's okay. I'm going to rename it. Now it is time to save a template so that we can save our time. I'm going to delete this file because obviously for template I don't need exactly this file. I'm removing and I'm clicking on the Save Workflow button here. Then choose OK, and it's time to choose a name for our template. Now I want to test this out, I mean my template for the next project. I'm going to click here on the workflow button, then open a workflow here to the left. I'm choosing my file. It's going to be a file in the Explorer app, Windows Explorer. Add the music track for a vertical video 1080p. Opening it. Uh, it is a template. There is no file here, so I'm clicking here and choose a random file to edit. Now let's see if I choose the settings. Here we see that I have 17% pre-adjusted like for my previous and here is my song also. I think I could just delete this one. I mean, obviously, sometime I would like to remove this file, so I want to connect it with my template. So I've removed it. I'm clicking OK. I'm removing my file and let's save it again. Save, OK, and I'm going to rewrite the previous file. Add the music track, save. Yes. Okay, again, I'm testing out my template. Click open a workflow, choose the file, add the music track for a vertical video. Now our template should be empty. I'm choosing a file. Now it is empty, no pre-adjustments. I think it is better because it's not so hard to choose the volume of a background music, especially if every file is different and there is no need to have 17% of volume. So, and if I click here, I have pre-adjusted settings, which is great. So next time I'm going just to add the file, click here, add my music track here. Let's choose a random one again, this one. Then choose the volume, 18, okay, start. That's it. I mean, normally it's going to take about 2 minutes.